Welcome to my video on transforming your art with AI art generators. In today's age of technology, creating art has become easier than ever. With the help of AI art generators, you can create stunning masterpieces in just seconds. Whether you are an artist looking to experiment with new techniques or someone who wants to unleash their inner creativity, AI art generators can help you achieve your artistic goals. In this video, I will explore 3 popular AI art generators: Photor's AI Art Generator, Night Cafe Creator, and Adobe's AI Art Generator with Firefly. We will discuss their unique features, the methods they use to generate art, and how you can get started with creating stunning art using these tools. So let's dive in. First up, I have Photor's AI Art Generator. This tool allows you to transform your photos into beautiful works of art in just seconds. All you have to do is enter a text prompt or upload a photo, and Photor will use artificial intelligence to generate stunning art creations. With Photor's AI Art Generator, you can experiment with different styles, such as watercolor, oil painting, and sketch, and create beautiful art that you can be proud of. Next, I have Night Cafe Creator. This AI art generator offers multiple methods of art generation, including neural style transfer and text-to-image AI. With neural style transfer, you can turn your photo into a masterpiece, while text-to-image AI allows you to create an artwork from nothing but words on a page. Just enter a text prompt, and Night Cafe Creator will make stunning images. Last but not least, I have Adobe's AI Art Generator with Firefly. This tool allows you to create images, vectors, videos, and 3D art from text using generative AI. With Firefly, you can add elements to an illustration, change the mood of a video, add texture to 3D objects, create digital experiences, and more. You can seamlessly customize and edit your creations to make them truly unique. And that's a wrap on our video on transforming your art with AI art generators. We hope you found this video helpful in learning about the different AI art generators and how you can use them to create stunning works of art with artificial intelligence. Whether you are an artist or someone who just wants to explore their creative side, AI art generators can help you achieve your artistic goals. So go ahead and unleash your inner artist, and see what amazing art creations you can make with these tools. Thank you for watching.